Hello everyone, welcome to all. Subject Industrial Engineering, Chapter Inventory Control, Topic Question based on EOQ with Price Break Model. So students, today we are going to discuss a topic in which we discuss some question which based on EOQ with Price Break Model. So students, let's start. Please read the question. Name the three costs which is involved in inventory control. A store procures and sells a certain item. Information about an item is as follow. Expected annual sale is 8,000 units. It is nothing but capital D, annual consumption of items. Ordering cost is rupees 1800 per order. It is a C naught. Holding cost is equal to 10% of average inventory value. It is nothing but I% is given as 10%, which is in yearly. So easily we are calculate the CH. We know that the CH is I% of C. Clear to all? The items can be purchased according to the following schedule. Lot size and unit price are given. Okay friends? Determine the best order size. It is a concept of economic order quantity model with price break. So in the previous session we was discuss about economic order quantity with the price break model. In the EO price break model, first of all return the some given data. What is the given data? The given data here is the annual demand capital D is given 8,000 units per year, and ordering cost is also given is 1800 rupees 1800 per order, and I is given is 10%, and lot size and unit price is given. So in the previous session in the economic price break model we was discuss first of all determine the feasible EOQ. After that the total cost is computed at this EOQ. Okay friends, first of all feasible EOQ is determined, then total cost at this EOQ is calculated, then at higher order size or minimum unit price, find out the total cost. So we can calculate the total cost at the feasible EOQ and total cost corresponding to the higher order, or we can say that the total cost corresponding to the minimum unit price, and compare the all the total cost and select the minimum total cost corresponding to the order size. At that order size the minimum cost is known as the best order size. Okay friends, clear to all? What is the concept here? Which concept is used? Okay, so first of all start from lowest unit price. In the given table the lowest unit price is given as rupees 185, and this the lot size is given as a 2000 and above. So easily we can calculate the Q star is nothing but under root of 2D C0 by CH, under root of 2D. D is given 8,000 unit per year, and C naught is also given 1800 upon CH. Here CH we know that the CH is I% of C, and I is 10% is given, and C here the unit cost is rupees of 185. So easily we can calculate the CH. Okay friends, the 0.1 into 185 is nothing but 18.5 rupees per unit per year is your CH, holding cost. Putting this value in this equation and finally find out the Q star, and Q star is how much? Yes, it is a 1247.7 units per order. 1247.7 units per order is Q star. Please check this Q star in the given range. The given range corresponding to unit cost rupees 185, the given range of lot size is 2000 and above. But our the Q star is 1247. It is not lie in given range. So it is not feasible EOQ. So let move in the next higher unit price. Let move in next higher unit price. Take the unit price is 190 rupees. Okay students, it is the next higher unit price, and the range of the lot size is given in the question is 1500 to 1999. Okay students, similarly here the Q star is nothing but under root of 2D C0 by CH. Here the CH, we can know that CH is I% of C, I is 10% and C is taken as a 190. So 0.1 into 190, so 19 rupees per unit per year is your CH, holding cost. Putting us all value in this equation, 2D is given as a 8,000 units per year, C0 is 1800 upon CH is 19, and calculate this data. So how much your Q star, student? Yes, it is a 1231.1 units. Okay students, check this unit. This units Q star is lie in your the given range. Range is 1500 to the 1999, but the Q star is come as a 1231. It is a not lie in range. So we can say that it is not a feasible EOQ. So let's move in the next higher unit price. Let move in next higher unit price. Take the unit price is, we can take the higher unit price is rupees 200, and the given lot size in the question is given as 1000 to 1499 is given. So apply the formula of economic order quantity under root 2D C0 by CH. Here we can calculate easily. CH is I% of C and C is 200. Clear to all? So what is your CH? CH is 0.1 into 200. So 20 rupees per unit per year is your CH. Putting all the value in this equation, 2D. What is a D? D is the annual demand. 8,000 units per year into 1800 is ordering cost upon CH is 20. Calculate this data, students. How much? Okay, it is a 1200 units. Okay students, it is a 1200 units has come. Check this data. It is a lie in your the given range. Given range is 1000 to 1499. Yes, 1200 is lie between this range. So we can say that it is lies between range. So it is a feasible EOQ. It is a feasible EOQ. But here they calculate the total cost corresponding to Q star. What is the total cost? Total cost is nothing but purchasing cost plus ordering cost D by Q into C0 plus holding cost Q by 2 into CH. Okay students, D is given, annual demand is given in the question is 8,000, and C is a unit cost which is a 200, so taken as a 200 plus D is 8,000 upon Q. This Q is taken in this question. Q is replaced by Q star. Okay students, so 8,000 divided by 1200 into C naught 1800 plus Q star by 2. Q star is 1200. 1200 is your Q star upon 2 into CH. How much your CH? CH is 20. And calculate this equation and how much the total cost corresponding to the feasible EOQ. The total cost corresponding to the feasible EOQ is 1,624,000. Okay students, it is a 16,24,000 rupees. This is the total cost corresponding to the feasible EOQ. After that, we can calculate the total cost corresponding to the higher order size. So at Q is equals to, what is the higher order size? Higher order size at the C unit cost 200, the order size is, we can calculate the order size 1200. At Q is 1500. At the given question, the Q is 1500, the unit cost is rupees 190. So we can calculate the total cost corresponding to 1500 lot size or 1500 units. So calculate D into C, it is a purchasing cost plus ordering cost plus holding or carrying cost. Putting the sum value in this equation and okay, put. What is a D? D is given in the question is 8,000 and C unit price is 190 plus D is 8,000 and Q is 1500 into ordering cost is 1800 plus Q is 1500 upon 2 into CH. How much CH is there? So CH is nothing but I% of C. Here 10% of 190. So 19 is your CH. 19 is your CH and calculate the all data. So what is the total cost, students, corresponding to the 1500 units? How much? It is a 1,543,850. 15,43,850. It is a total cost corresponding to 1500 units. Similarly, we can determine the total cost corresponding to higher order and take the higher order is Q is 2000. So you can find the total cost similarly, same as above. So you can find easily the total cost corresponding to 2000. So similar formula is apply, D into C purchasing cost plus D by Q C0 plus Q by 2 into CH. Okay, putting the sum value and how much? 15,05700. It is nothing but 15 lakh rupees 15 lakh 5,700. Compare all the total cost. The total cost corresponding to the feasible EOQ is how much? 16,24,000 and the total cost corresponding to the 1500 EOQ is 15,43,850 and the total cost corresponding to the order size is 2000 is 15,05,700. So which minimum? The minimum total cost corresponding to 2000. So the best order size is 2000. Clear to all students? Okay. The best order size is 2000. If in the question ask the feasible EOQ, so feasible EOQ is 1200 unit and feasible total cost is this. But in the question ask the best order size, so we can determine the total cost corresponding to the higher order size and at the order size of 2000 the total cost is minimum as compared to others. So best order size is 2000 is your answer. Clear to all? Okay. Thank you so much. To be continued in next topic.